Let us read, and let us dance. These two amusements will never do any harm to the world. Life is a shipwreck, but we must not forget to sing in the lifeboats. Those who can make you believe absurdities, can make you commit atrocities. The more I read, the more I acquire, the more certain I am that I know nothing. I have never made but one prayer to God, a very short one: O Lord, make my enemies ridiculous. And God granted it. Fools have a habit of believing that everything written by a famous author is admirable. For my part, one read only to please myself and like only what suits my taste. Despite the enormous quantity of books, how few people read. And if one reads profitably, one would realize how much stupid stuff the vulgar herd is content to swallow every day. It is dangerous to be right in matters on which the established authorities are wrong. Doubt is an uncomfortable condition, but certainty is a ridiculous one. It is better to risk saving a guilty person than to condemn an innocent one. Every man is a creature of the age in which he lives, and few are able to raise themselves above the ideas of the time. Our wretched species is so made that those who walk on the well-trodden path always throw stones at those who are showing a new road. The human brain is a complex organ with the wonderful power of enabling man to find reasons for continuing to believe whatever it is that he wants to believe. The comfort of the rich depends upon an abundant supply of the poor. The art of medicine consists of amusing the patient while nature cures the disease.